Right. Good evening, everyone. Can you able to hear me? So tell me, what is your dream? What is your dream? Getting job is your dream, right? So is it your dream or our dream? It is our dream, your dream and my dream also, right? So for our dream, if I only work hard, will we get a job? All right. So we together should work. So did you practice multi-threading chapter programs? All are you confident? All are you having confidence in multi-threading program? Today, shall we see some more programs? Today class is testing some interview questions, following by developing projects also. Today class is little complicated for the students who not practiced, for the student who missed yesterday class. So the students who have attended yesterday class, today class is easy for them. How many of you missed yesterday class? Yeah, Ritik. You again say that stop the class, again I will remove you. Okay? Because you don't want to listen yesterday, you have some personal works. So you wanted to disturb the class. For your personal work, remaining 500 students also wanted to stop attending the class. That's why I remove you. So again you say, again I will remove. No doubt in that, no hesitation. No second thought. Sunday class, after you come to the Sunday class, if you disturb me, that will divide. All you people, hope you understand yesterday program, run execution, right? So from which class run method executed? And next, run method executed from how many classes? Okay. From how many class run method is executed also we understood. Sometimes run method executing only from my thread class. Sometimes run method executing from thread class and my runnable class. Sometimes run method executing from my thread class, my runnable class, again my thread class. So we all expected here we will get recursion, but we didn't get recursion here. We expected here run method executed from my thread class and my runnable, but it is not executed from my runnable. because my runnable dot run method call is not there in our class. So we have added super dot run, then only we have added super of target, then only run. We have added super dot run, then only run method executed from thread class. By our thread class run method, our my thread class, my runnable class run method is also executed. Okay, you have to practice. If you pass same variable, same object as an argument, then we'll get compile time error. If you pass same class object with a static reference variable, no compile time error, and run method executed only from my thread class, and we don't get null pointer exception. Okay, so this is the story we have discussed. Now, shall I give you some more entry questions? Do you have patience to answer? Or you want me to go directly, skipping all these entry questions and go directly? Because time taking process. So totally how many test cases are there now? Yeah, these many test cases are there. If you want me to, if you feel this time waste, I will skip them. Totally 30 programs are there today we need to discuss. No problem, huh? Okay. So if you want to come next Sunday also for full day, I will cover these entry questions. Otherwise, I'll skip. Next Sunday, I want to take full day. Morning 6 hours, morning 5 hours, afternoon 5 hours. Total 10 hours I want to take. Okay. Sunday, I will take morning and afternoon both sessions. 10-hour session I want to take. So if you say that you don't want to come Sunday, then I will skip these entry questions because I'm not responsible to teach you entry questions. Okay, I need to teach you only subject. Entry questions you should struggle by following different interviews, fail. Finally, you will get success. Okay, now let's start. So you all promise that you will come. Are you ready to reply or you wanted to only listen? Okay, people have not yet changed the names as I told. So I am deleting you people from the class. Students who have joined the class with other institute IDs, now I am removing you from the class. I want to give everyone permission so that you can interact with me with your friends. Okay, I am deleting Varsha, Maroti, Hari Krishna, Halali. Okay, I'm deleting Sujit Kumar. Are people there? So if I delete, you cannot join. Now click on leave button, leave and rejoin with proper name. Maroti, are you there? Quick. Leave the class and rejoin with our class pattern. Fast. I'm giving 2 minutes more time. Otherwise, I'll remove you from the class. Varsha. Are you there, Varsha? Sri Krishna. Varsha and Sri Krishna, are you there? Leave. Sujit Kumar. Is that what the pattern I'm saying? Sri Krishna, again you join with the same pattern. Log out from Zoom app, then join. Okay, guys, remember tomorrow onwards, I will not tell you that you need to join with that one, this one. Okay. So before joining, you should know with what name you are joining. Okay. Vishal, leave the class and join with our class pattern. Log out from Zoom app and join. Why you people are using Zoom app? I told you don't use Zoom client app. How many times I should tell you guys? Use mail so that you will not have problem with my class and with other class conflicts. How many times I should tell you? Don't use Zoom client app to join the class. Use mail ID. In mail, click on join class. If this way you join, there will not be problem. You will not waste my class. Vishal, if you're not leaving now and rejoining, tomorrow you have to, everyone should be in this pattern. Otherwise, I will not allow you to continue class. I will remove you from the class. I will terminate you from the class. Clear procedure I am saying. Still you people are not following. Let me upload to our class. Simple pattern, simple, very small budgie pattern I am saying. Very clear pattern. But you lazy idiots wasting the time. You will not take files from directory. It's not taking, man. I think I have to upload to drive. From the drive, I have to download. Seems to. Yeah, there is no attached file. This is link. This is YouTube. This is upload file from drive. It is showing. Browse there. Okay, thank you guys. Where is desktop? Yeah, try catch you have to follow. Simple procedure I am saying, which is not conflict with any other faculty. I'm creating my own way of simplifying the things. Very simple, right? Open browser from both mobile and laptop. Type zoom.us. Click join meeting. Enter. I'm not saying anything. Log in or register. Nothing. No need to do. Enter the Zoom ID you received from Naresh IT. You know, right? Zoom ID, your class ID. In registration page, you enter name with angular bracket as shown below. Okay. Very simple. Neeraj Baba. Neeraj Baba. Okay. Join tomorrow. Okay. Remove. Okay. I am saying some problem there. I am saying he is irritating. So irritating fellows, why I need in the class? He is a Baba. Okay, na yavarga Baba, you know, to whom he is Baba. Okay. Now registered email and confirm email mobile EQ. Then click join meeting. So you will be receiving a mail from Zoom software. You registered email. Daily use that mail to join class. So look at here. Today 9 o'clock link changed. Right? I registered in the pattern. Okay. Now look at the 9 a.m. link I got. What I will do from tomorrow? Open this link, open the mail, inbox, open the mail, scroll down, click webinar. That's all. There is no conflict with anyone. Simple procedure here. Okay. Mr. H. From tomorrow, if you join with the name H, you will be also removed from the class. Today is the last warning to you. Tomorrow, I will verify all your names. Tomorrow, I will verify all your names in the class. Okay. If I see you people are there with your own names, with whatever the pattern you like, all you people will be terminated from the class without hesitation. No second thought. No second thought. 5 minutes also you cannot pay attention properly, then there's no use of you continue the course. So today is the last warning to all your people in the batch. Okay, if you not follow rules, tomorrow I don't waste the time. Tomorrow I'll ask admin to join as a panelist and I'll instruct him, keep on, he will remove backside. I will continue the class. I will not stop the class. I will continue the class. Background, he will be keep on removed. Okay. All the people will be removed from the class. So our class will be continued. Okay, guys. So now let me move to the session now. So I'm not using Eclipse today because if I use Eclipse will show the errors directly. So that's why I'm not using Eclipse. Okay. I want you identify today some errors. Is there any error or not? Is there any error or not? I want you identify. For that, I am not using Eclipse. So now try to answer now. Here, I am taking a class. Okay. When will mail center? If you register, mail will come, automatically will not come, Rabai. Okay, class, my runnable one implements runnable. Okay, so look at this. Now I am writing a class deriving from runnable interface. Is there any compile time error? Is there any compile time error? Yes or no? No compile time error. This is what your learning process. This is where you are learning subject, and this is where you are making core Java faculties fools in front of other faculties. Minimum questions also you will not ask yourself. Minimum questions. I am writing a class deriving from runnable. What is runnable? What is runnable? It is interface. If I derive a class from an interface, I must implement abstract methods available in interface. Is there any abstract method in the interface? Is there any abstract method in the interface? Yes. Did I implement it? No. Then compiled or not compiled? Okay. It is compiled, not compiled. Come on, answer. Compiled or not compiled? It is not compiled. We will get compile time error. Right? So I'm giving everyone permission. Try to help each other. Okay, now one student comment can be now visible to other student. Help each other to answer these questions. Okay. And because everyone permission there, if you extend your tails, if you open your talent, cruel nature is coming out. Okay, now criticizing others, sharing some unnecessary links, you will be terminated class permanently. Okay. And guys, don't click on any links, anything by sharing by others. Okay, now try to utilize this opportunity. Everyone permission I gave you for your answers to know by other people and other answers to know by you people, so that you will revise the topic. If you not understand, then other people will help you to understand. So now I just wanted to try in your batch one more time. Earlier I tried, but your batch people are showing your talent. So that's why I stopped. Now I'm trying one more time. Now tell me, is this program compiled or not compiled? Not compiled, because we have not overridden run method. Compiler will throw error. Is it a multi-threading chapter or object-oriented programming? Is it multi-threading chapter or object-oriented programming? It is object-oriented programming. So when you derive a class from an interface, you must implement abstract method. Okay, right. Now, so it's a compile time error. I am commenting it. Next, tell me, is this compiled? Is it compiled? Try to question yourself what you did, what happened. I am creating a class deriving from thread. What is thread? Thread is a class. Is it an abstract class or concrete class? Concrete class. Is it a final concrete class or non-final concrete class? It is a non-final class. So can I write a subclass? Yes. Should I implement any method here? No. What about run method? Run method in thread class is fully implemented. It is a concrete method. So no compile time error. Compile successfully. So tell me, with multi-threading chapter, object-oriented programming revision coming or not? If you enter to ask a question, explain all object-oriented programming with a single example. Can I use multi-threading chapter? Let us consider multi-threading chapter. We have runnable interface. We have thread class, okay, which is implementing runnable, okay, and we are creating our own class deriving from runnable or deriving from thread class. So tell me, here interface is given to achieve loose coupling between thread and implementation classes. And thread implementing is a relation, also having what? Has a relation in order to call its run method from subclasses. So complete object-oriented programming, everything is there in this multi-threading chapter. Multi-threading chapter is the perfect implementation of object-oriented programming. Every topic we can see. Start from first topic, data types, to last abstraction. Tell me, is this program compiled? Any compile time error here? I derive a class extending from thread, implementing from runnable. When you extending from concrete class, no need to implement any method from my class. When implementing from runnable, we must implement its abstract method. Tell me here, who is implementing runnable? Is a thread implementing runnable or class mythread implementing runnable? Thread implementing or mythread implementing? Some people are saying thread, Babu. So you didn't watch? You didn't watch a types of inheritance chapter topic, right? Types of inheritance topic you successfully skipped. In types of inheritances, I covered this bit. Array, here you are declaring class thread or accessing class thread? You are accessing class thread. When you access the class thread, how it will implement other class? Only declarations can implement, right? Now this class is declaring, this is implementing. Class thread is extending thread and class thread only implementing runnable, okay? Not thread implementing. Now tell me, here what method is coming from the runnable interface to implement? Run method. So tell me, a run method as an abstract method coming first or as a concrete method coming first? First extends keyword is there. Thread extends, class mythread extends thread. First what is coming? Extends. Extends. So run method already available as a concrete method. Public void run. Now from the interface it is coming as abstract method. This inherited method from the thread class will be treated as implementation to runnable interface run method. Yes. Do I need to implement run method? Not required. In types of inheritance chapter, I already explained this point. Why extends should be first, not implements. If I write implements and then extends, what is the problem? And then I explain, if a method is available in both extending class and implementing interface, should I override or not? I told you it depends. If signature is same, no need to implement. If signature is different, you must implement. If return type is different, you cannot develop this inheritance hierarchy also, I told you. Remember, some test cases I have explained. So finally tell me, if I derive a class from implementing runnable, is it compiled or not? No, we must override run method. So tell me, when run method implementing in subclass is mandatory. If your class is deriving from runnable interface, we must implement run method. If a class is deriving from thread class, run method no need to implement. If I derive a class from thread and implementing runnable, run method no need to implement. Okay, now I am implementing class myRunnable to, okay, let me take a 3 class myRunnable 3 implementing runnable, and I am implementing run method. Is it compiled? Is it compiled? Sir, you are making me number one fool in front of others. Okay. You are making me number one fool in front of other faculties. Definitely they will scold you. Who is your core Java teacher? Definitely they will scold. I have a good name in the market. Okay. And if people are spoiling my name in the market. You are not practicing properly and not remember all the rules of interface. I told you interface is the most important topic. You must practice each and every rule. If you are deriving from an interface, when you are implementing interface method in subclass, when you are implementing interface method in the subclass, what is the accessibility modifier you must take? Did I take public here? When I give the clues, you are giving correct answer. When I'm not giving clues, you are not giving correct answer. That means where is lacking? Practice. You are not practiced properly, you are not remembering properly. So try to question what are the concepts are there in this program. Try to question yourself. Hey, Kota Srinivas are there? Srinivas? Kota Srinivas? Today he not attended class. Wonderful. Neelamani? Okay. Now, implements runnable. So now this is a compile time error, right? So all people understand why compile time error? So please try to question what are the concepts available in this program. Okay, in this program, implementing runnable. Okay, when implement runnable, we must override run method of this interface. Yes, overriding, but with public is not used. So compile time error. Please remember rules here. Okay. Next, tell me, is this program compiled? What I did here, I am writing a class extending from thread. What I did, I am overriding, right? I am overriding. Can you please tell me this one also once? Class my thread 4, my thread 3, sorry. Class my thread 3 implements, sorry, extends thread, and void run. Is it compiled? Is it compiled? If you deriving a class from a class, overriding the method of this class is optional. If you are overriding, what are the rules we must verify? 4 rules. Return type should be same. Yeah. Return type is same. Tell me. So in the thread class method, run method return type is void. Next, static should not be add or remove. Thread class method is non-static, so I'm choosing non-static. Accessibility modifier should be same. Accessibility modifier should be same, or can be increased, should not be decreased. What is the accessibility modifier or run method in thread class? Mr. Arjit M31. Arjit M31, what is the thread run method accessibility modifier in thread class? Arjit. Come on, guys. Why you are hesitating? You know or don't know? What is the accessibility modifier? Public. Then why did you say happily it is compiled? Happily under. Compiled happily. Java crying. Sadness is there in Java. Run method inheriting from thread class with the keyword public. Then how can you override without public? Not possible. Compiler will throw error. You are decreasing visibility. Attempting to assign weaker access privileges was public. Class method, if it is a default, then you can override with a default. If a class method is public, you must override with the public only. Interface method by default public, you must add public, no option. Class method can be public, can be default, can be protected. Now based on that method in the super class, I should add the accessibility modifier. In the thread class also run method is public, so you must also add here public. Okay, na? Everyone understand? Okay, Sridhar is coming late, it seems to be. He is asking to disable chat to everyone. Okay. I enable chat to everyone. If you have disturbance, feel it is not a disturbance. Okay. You also reply along with me, along with your friends, you will not feel disturbance. All people are singing song. And if you're not singing song, then you'll feel it is a disturbance. If you also add your chorus, if you also add, then are you catching my point? Then you will enjoy. So just I am trying to help you, Mr. Sridhar. I don't know whether you join late or early. Just I am saying, I give everyone permission to all students so that they can share their mistakes. They can correct their mistakes. Okay. So you also join so that you will also not feeling disturbance. Okay. Shall I continue next point? Tell me, is this program compiled or not? Everyone should understand what are they. You should not just look at and say, what are the concepts involved in this program? Visualize, understand all the rules, recollect all the rules, and then tell me. Class is extending from thread. Thread class contain any abstract methods? No. All are concrete methods only. So overriding any method from the class is mandatory? No. If I override any method, any problem? No, but we should follow 4 rules. Run method is what now? Overriding method. How can I say this run method is overriding method? Signature is same. Method name and parameter list is equal to thread class method name and parameter list. Return type is same, accessibility modifier same. Any problem in this method overriding? No. Then move next. Hey, I am writing same method as run. Oh, same method name with a same method name with a same method name with a different parameters. Same method name with a different parameters. Then what is this concept? Overriding or overloading? Overloading. Tell me. Do you remember? I explained this concept in main method also. Can I overload main method? Yes. If I overload main method and when you run class with Java command, which main method is executed? Which main method is executed? String array parameter main method is executed. Then how can I execute other main methods? We must call those methods from string array parameter main method. Do you remember? So it is a very, very, very important point you should realize, sir. Now slowly you are going to join other faculty classes either for either for advanced Java or for Spring Hibernate or other classes. I'm telling you, being a Amirpet person last 16 years, every faculty is targeting Hare Krishna students because we are very proud. Okay, now we are very proud. That's why people are targeting us. When somebody is targeting us, we should not defeat. Okay, now we should win in the race. We should win in the race. Are you catching my point? When the faculty asking questions, you must answer correctly. And when the faculty is teaching wrong, then you should catch him. Am I right? You should teach the faculty, sir, this is wrong, sir, this is right, this is the proof. Very politely. Politely, you should correct that faculty mistakes. 100% guarantee, core Java topic, if next level faculty is touched, definitely 1 or 2 points they will teach wrong. Because they are not teaching core Java, that's why they are committing mistakes. They never try core Java program, they'll commit mistake. With their visualization, they are saying something. So please try to recollect. Multi-threading chapter I am using as a source of teaching multi-threading and also recollecting, revising object-oriented programming. Because by this stage, you will everything you forgot, I know. But I'm trying to revising all the topics, recollecting all the topics. Okay, please participate. The reason why I given everyone option, because I wanted to prove that how many people forgot, why I am every day scolding in the class, why I am very much angry. I want you know. Okay, when I say that is it allowed or not, everybody say the yes sir compiled, right? Then I should scold now. If I scold you, then you will realize why I'm scolding. That's the reason I give you permission. I will scold you and reminding you. So come on, okay? So please have a fear of other faculties are making us fools, but we should not become fools. We must make them fools. You should prove that, array, I know everything, Ravi. You continue next point. Clear? So that's why I'm trying to worrying about, because you all almost reach end of core Java. Now you all people have started moving to other faculty classes. They know Hare Krishna students will be there. Then they were trying to prove that what I explained is wrong. Okay? Please go, don't get be influenced, don't get dominated. And now tell me, here, can I overload run method? That is the question. Can I overload run method? Yes, we can overload run method. If I overload run method, which run method is called by JVM? Only no param run method. Prove it. Okay. How can I prove? By running class or by calling start method? By running class or by calling start method? By calling start method. Now tell me. So now I define a main method test class. Test class main method thread mt1 equal to new my thread mt1 dot start. Then when I call start method, JVM implicitly create custom thread. Who creating custom thread? Start method? No. Start method causes JVM to start custom thread. Internal flow of start method I gave you, right? Ready to run collections, native method, yesterday class. People who missed yesterday class, you missed a lot of interesting topics. So I don't know why you missed yesterday class. Okay, today class strength is 450. Okay, now yesterday class strength is 250. 200 students missing yesterday class. Sunday. So never feel class is important. Sunday means rest. Okay. So empty dot start method. And now JVM calls implicitly which method? No param run method. So no param run method is available. Only no param run method executed, output coming. Then how can I execute param run method? It is JVM known method or your own method? It is our own method. Then what should I do? I must call explicitly from where? Either from main method or from run method. Because JVM implicitly call only two methods, main method and run method. Now I am calling from this run method, run off. Okay, double quotes, HK, save it, control 1 compile and control 2 execute. Look at the run string param. Tell me, this run parameterized method executed in main thread or in custom thread? In which thread it is executed, main thread or custom thread? Custom thread. I am visualizing the entire JVM architecture with the main thread and custom thread in Java stacks area. Start method arrow mark, custom thread created, control come back, main method next line execution. Completely I am visualizing. Are you visualizing? Entire memory diagram, are you visualizing? So if you are unable to visualize, you need to practice. Okay. Tell me up to now all people understand. Shall I ask questions? Question number 1. If I derive a class from interface, runnable, not implementing run method, any problem? Yes, compiler will throw error. I am deriving a class from thread class and not implementing run method, any problem? No problem. I am deriving a class from extending from thread and implementing runnable, run method not overriding, any problem? No problem, because the run method inherited from the thread class will become implementing runnable interface method. Next, now I am deriving a class from runnable interface, implementing run method, but without using public. Any problem? Yes. Okay, I am implementing a class. I'm deriving class from the thread class, and I am overriding run method without public. Any problem? Yes. Public is compulsory. Next, I am overloading method I'm extending from thread class, and I am overriding and overloading. Okay, any problem? No problem. Okay, no problem. Then what happened here? Compiler software, JVM, when we call start method, JVM executes only no param run method, cannot execute string param run method. Then how can I execute string param run method? We must call from no param run method. Yesterday, some students has asked me question repeatedly, sir, can I call run method? Can I call run method? You have only one question in your mind, but I have plenty of questions in my mind around run method. So tell me, at least now, are you believing me that I will teach everything? Only thing you need to have patience. And when I'm not replying to your questions, please don't get angry. That is not relevant. Okay, na? Please don't get angry. That is not relevant. In coming classes, maybe I will cover. Okay, because I'm in a good mode and you are suddenly posting the questions. I'm not interested to reply to your questions. And don't repeatedly post the same question again and again. Okay, even 450 students replying also, I can see each and every person reply answer question. Now that Arjit, MP3 he replied, happily. I caught him, right? My mind can see, my eye can catch. That is called 16 years of experience. My eyes is always searching for who give wrong answer, Okay. Correct answers never see. My eye never see correct answer. My eyes always see, I'm a wrong answer. Okay, catch me. Okay. Now tell me, is this compiled? Is this compiled? What I did here, can you please answer? In this program, what I did? In this program, what I did? I am only overloaded. I have only overloaded, right? I have only overloaded. If I only overload, any compile time error? I didn't override. I didn't override. Any compile time error? No. When I don't override, why no compile time error? Because the class is extending from thread. In thread class already run method. In thread class already run method is implemented as a concrete method. So overriding it is optional. Okay. Tell me, if I only overload run method, any compile time error? No. Any runtime error? No. Then from which class run method executed when I call start method? I changed MT4 to MT5. Then start method implicitly calling run method from which class? Thread class. JVM calling run of no parent. Now it is executing from not available in my thread, executed from thread class. Control 1, compile, control 2, no output. Hope you up to now all you understand. Shall I ask next questions? Definitely give wrong answer. Let's see how many people give wrong answer. Class my runnable 5 implements runnable, and in this class I have only overloaded this method. Only overloaded. Compiler not compile. NA means what, sir? Not applicable. Compiler not compiler. Not compiled. Why not compiled? Because overloading, that's why compile time error, or because not overridden, that's why compile time error. Do you understand my point? Why compile time error? Because overloaded or because not overridden? Because not overridden. Wonderful here, wonderful here, super. So finally, object oriented programming came back to the track. Right? Object oriented programming finally came back to the track. So multi-threading chapter also on the track. So both the chapters revised. Are you happy? So why Hare Krishna taking more time to complete the course? Do you understand? I am preparing you for interview also. I am not only completing the course, I am also preparing you for interview. Okay. If somebody asked, hey, Hare Krishna take more time, then what do you answer? Are Tumri fellow, he is preparing you for interview also. You complete the course now within 2 months. Later, you should prepare interview by yourself. Now he is extending the course for preparing you for interview. Now you are attending all interviews and failing every interview and crying. Okay. And we are completing course, and in the first round, first batch, first interview itself, we will pass. And even while we are attending the course also, we will get job. Many students got the job. Right? Already you have seen every day I'm posting interview, every day posting your success stories. Most of the students got job in the middle itself. I'm not mentioning, they only mentioning, na? Sir, I got job in the middle, sir. So please believe, start attending interviews. Don't waste time. Start attending interviews, definitely you'll get success. Every day I am getting 1 or 2 success stories from your seniors and your classmates. Okay, shall I continue next questions? Tell me now. Look at this program compiled or not? Okay, it's compiled time error, so I'm commenting it. Okay. Okay, first let me show you compiled time error. What is that? My runnable file is not abstract and doesn't override abstract method run method. No param run method. Okay. Now I'm commenting this class.